Anybody else see that? Line drive off the bat of Ruthie Allen. She's going 3. Another triple for Ruthie Allen. Leadoff triple.